Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this video is all about how I made some money and how you can too. Right now the game is changing, and the game is changing really fast. So, as the game changes, it is important to remember the old principles. What I did around 3 4 years back was I majorly went into Bitcoin, and I loved what Bitcoin was all about: the decentralization, the transparency, the on-chain data. Everything that it represented was basically about transparency, which in traditional finance wasn't just there, and that's why I really went into Bitcoin. But as I was in Bitcoin and I was in the space, so I tried out some other altcoins as well. I just studied them and put in really small capital at the time, and I just held them. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that even though I was just messing around trying to know the market better, what I ended up making was north of $100,000 from merely investing less than $5,000. So it easily sailed through the $100,000 mark in about 2 to 3 years. As you can see, I bought ADA in early 2019, and around $3,900 was the cost, and the profit over here you can see is right now $38,000. I'm still holding this position, and the profit was much more. As you know, the price of ADA has significantly dropped over the past month. So, and then this wasn't just ADA. Because I was using Binance and the platform was working just fine, so I bought some BNB as well. You can see that was short of $1,000 even, and right now it is sitting at around 16,000 or around $17,000. So this is just one account. My main investment was in Bitcoin, but even these small transactions that I did ended up making and giving me major returns. So I have another wallet as well, and in that I have made some serious returns as well. So the point that I'm trying to make home over here is that right now what you need to do is ignore the noise, find diamonds in the rough, do the research, put in the hard work, and you will make it. Trust me on this one. If you do the research, there are so many nice plays now. Once I was coming in at around 2018 to 2017, that at that time it was slightly more difficult. Not a lot of data was available on the coins that were launching. Right now, there are legit people. If you follow them, if you do the research right, and you have your own methodology. You don't just listen to a panda on the internet and decide that this is the coin that I will buy. I will not tell you the exact coin that you need to pick up, but you should have your own methodology of how to research. So if I tell you that right now Olympus DAO is a good buy, so that can be one point that you trust what I'm saying, and you trust that generally what I tell is legit information. Then you go on to point number two. You go towards the tokenomics, the data, the team, whatever it is. There should be at least a 4 to 5 part process in which you should figure out that how you will select a cryptocurrency. The amount does not matter. What you want to invest in, that is up to you, the risk that you want to take. But I am telling you right now, with NFTs, the decentralized autonomous organizations, the metaverse, this so feels like 2016 right now. There are a lot of plays that will go 100x, 1000x, and there are a lot of plays which will be just pump and dump schemes. So what is important here is why I'm showing you this screen right here is that if you just held the good stuff, you ignored the noise, you did the research, you will get the returns. So play the new game with old principles, and ladies and gentlemen, you will make it. So that's all from me today. I hope you have a great day. Cheers and enjoy, Johnny.